Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Marcie, and today we're going to be doing a simple, sleek top knot with baby hair tutorial. Sorry you guys are getting me in like my man face, but you know, it's the middle of the night and I'm not going anywhere and I just want to film a tutorial. So, if you're ready to just get into this gig, let's get into her and get right into the video. Hope you enjoy. Before we do that, you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You guys have been doing a lot of watching and not a lot of liking or leaving comments, so it only takes a second to be a part of the family. It only takes a second to be a part of the family, sis. And you know me, I'll wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm just here in my all natural beauty and bush. I'm going to teach you how to go from this to this. So let's keep on watching and let's just get into this gig, girl. Yes. So first and foremost, we're starting off with my spray bottle. I'm going to be using this spray bottle for the majority of the video. Yeah, we want to make sure our hair is nice and wet because detangling natural hair on dry hair is a no-no. That's a no-no. No, that's a no. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna be, spraying the majority of my hair because we wanna make sure our hair is nice and wet and easy to comb and brush through. Finishing it off with my spray bottle, I'm now going to go in with my bristle brush and do some additional detangling. I'm going to brush in the upward motion because that's where we want our ponytail to like sit before we get into our top knot. And I'm just making sure, even though my hair is already freshly detangled and co-washed, I'm just trying to make sure there aren't any single strand knots or, anything that's going to prevent my hair from staying sleek or have any flyaways come out. And don't worry, you guys, I'm not being rough with my bristle brush. I'm just heavy-handed, and I can't help the hands God gave me, sis, so whatever. Just going back in with my bristle brush and my spray bottle to make sure my hair is as sleek as possible. Now I'm going in with my hard back brush because I'm going to be using a lot of different brushes to make sure my hair stays secure. You guys should know with kinky curly hair, especially our natural kinky curly hair, sometimes it's easier to sleek on some days and sometimes it's harder to sleek on other days. So I'm just trying to make sure I'm just perfecting this protective style and I'm just making sure my hair is going to be as smooth as possible. So now we're going in with our favorite consistency for Stylo Gel, and we're using the crystal clear version. And I'm just going to take my brush, my red regular bristle brush, and I'm just going to dip my brush into my gel, and I'm just going to smooth out the gel into my hair. This brush I'm showing you here, I've learned that this method actually helps apply the gel easier because the bristles from the brush will smoothen the hair into each hair strand. So I'm just going to do that for you guys, and as you see, I'm also going to be doing the smoothing my hand method with it so each hair stays in place. So, yeah. Back using my hard back brush, I'm just going to do the same method. As you can see, I'm going to dip my bristle brush into my gel, and I'm also going to be rubbing some gel into my hands because As you can see here, I'm going to be rubbing it in and applying it to the back of my head because the back of the hairs in my head are shorter. They need to be smoothed out more, and more product needs to be applied so they'll stay in place. And I'm actually going to be pulling my hair together and just showing you guys how it's going to look before I apply the hair tie. So I'm just going to keep on brushing and brushing, and let's keep on going. Look how sleek that is, and beautiful and shiny. Healthy hair is the best hair, you guys. Just make sure you know that. Okay guys, going in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Even though some of you may have canceled it since they changed the formula, I still use this as a staple because when I used to watch Alyssa Ashley, I believe, she used these two products to sleek down her hair. And so I've been using it ever since, and since it has like a silk protein inside of it, when you mix it with the gel, it makes your hair look so nice and smooth and shiny, and it just stays in place. So like before I even add additional gel or like an edge control, I'll always put this on it just in case. So yeah, as you can see, there aren't many flyaways, so it's working. Now I'm just going to be double tying my hair tie around my small little bun. You see guys, I do have some hang time on me, but I like my bun to be nice and full. And I'm going to take my bristle brush. I'm just going to make sure there aren't any flyaways around my edges. And as you can see, everything is so nice and sleek. I'm making sure my little bun is just nice and tucked. And yeah, we have a nice sleek bun. And so now for additional volume, I'm going to go in with these extensions I ordered. They're really bad extensions, you guys. I'm not going to be doing a review on them, but they do match my hair color and texture pretty well, so I like to use them as buns. So I'm just going to take two little individual strands of the hair, and I'm going to tie them around my bun twice for extra security. Then I'm going to take the two strands I used to tie the knot, and I'm going to wrap them around the bun. We're looking a little bit crazy here, but now I'm just going to wrap the hair around my little bun until I get a nice top knot that I like. And you can shape it and make it however big or how small you want. You can make it bigger by teasing the hair, or you can have it nice and tight and neat. But this is pretty good for me. I'm just going to push my hands around it and shape it. And then I'm going to add some bobby pins for some extra security. So you guys, as I'm just reshaping my bun, I'm only adding up to 2 bobby pins because my hair is already going to be nice and sleek. And I'm going to go back into my Eco Solid Gel, and we're about to do some edges, honey. My favorite part is slaying and snatching my edges. So since I do have a man's forehead and a man's hairline, I have to brush the hair down. And I can't really have like a front swoop, so I have to have 2 side swoops and an additional 2 other side swoops on the side. So you guys will see at the end, I'm pretty good at doing edges. It's kind of like my specialty. As you can see, I'm doing the finger swoop method. That's my favorite kind. I feel like the edge of your finger gives you the best curve. And I'm just using a regular toothbrush, you guys. I haven't tried any of those edge brushes yet that have like the brush and the comb attachments. but yeah, I'm just going into my little swoops, my little swoops. So after we're just getting to like a little part of the precision, you're really trying to feel your edges, trying to feel your juice. This is me just getting my oats, living my oats, filling my oats, you guys. And yeah, I'm pretty much like this. Me doing a little bit of posing, me trying to be cute. Sorry, you guys, you can just skip over this part if you don't like it. So you guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like and comment on the video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see more from my channel, what type of hair tutorials, and see you next time. Thank you.